Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and today we are looking at a dedicated gaming tablet. This is the Astra 2 from REDMAGIC, and it even has liquid cooling built in that you can see. Yes, you can see the liquid moving through the tablet. It does have a lot of promising specs as well, so we're gonna take a quick look what comes in the box, and then of course get some hands-on, do some gaming as well. You can also tell it's kind of a smaller tablet, plus has some promising specs, so we're gonna take a quick look what comes in the box, then of course get some hands-on with this gaming tablet and even do a gaming test. Let's get started. Here is the Astra 2 gaming tablet from REDMAGIC. Pretty small box. Opening up, looks like right away you do get that tablet, and it's been a little while since I've used a tablet of this size, so I'm excited to check it out. We're gonna set it to the side for just a second. Inside here is probably where booklets should be, but also looks like some stickers, which is nice to have. Finally in the box, you've got a red and black USB Type-C to Type-C cable for charging. There's actually a group of different stickers with REDMAGIC branding. And on to what you came to see, the Astra 2 gaming tablet. Taking this plastic off. And a pretty unique design overall. I do like these accents that they do have. And then up towards the top here, when holding it vertically, is that power button. So when you do hold it on its side, you do have different USB ports. We'll check it out. Anyways, while it boots up, let's take a closer look at this actual hardware. I also want to point out that I can hold this with one hand if I want to. So down at the bottom, you do get a USB Type-C port. Moving along, another USB Type-C port, plus one of your speakers up towards the top here. I believe this is a game mode switch. We'll test that out in just a second. And then moving along, you've got volume rockers plus a couple microphones. And then you have your power button plus with an embedded fingerprint scanner and your second speaker. Flipping it to the back, you've got that REDMAGIC logo and just a close look at the design up by the camera. Yes, you do get a single camera, but it is also completely flat. There is no camera bump, which is nice for a tablet like this because you might want to be playing games when it's sitting flat on a table. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 cooling system. I believe we'll be able to see this cooling system actually working as well. Anyways, we are all set up and ready to go. I'm gonna run through the startup process, talk about anything noteworthy. It is nice to turn it vertical to type. Now, setting up our fingerprint scanner, I'm definitely gonna have to set up multiple, so we're gonna start with my thumb. However, I think my right pointer finger will be another really good one to enroll, and maybe even my left pointer finger. So I'll probably end up enrolling 3 or 4 fingers. So it says congratulations, you're gonna have to go into settings later to set up another finger, but I say right pointer finger because when you're holding it vertically, you can tap right here. It does run Android, so Gemini is your personal AI assistant. It lets you know about the dedicated game space to customize your experience, and we will actually check that out in just a second. Actually, it brings you right into it out of the box, interestingly enough. I think that's because I have it enabled, so if I flip this switch, that magic key, it will go back, but if I turn it back on, it goes back into that game center. Awesome, we are all set up and ready to go. Close look at that 9-inch LTPO OLED display at 2400 by 1504 resolution. I can already tell high refresh rate out of the box. Actually, you can already tell. It says 185 hertz up in the upper left. And the biggest thing I want to show that hasn't started yet, but you can start to see it, is the liquid cooling on the back. So we'll show that off when we're playing a game. Jumping into settings, they have a ton of different customizations, but I want to go into display. There's an eye comfort mode. You can change the color temperature if you'd like. That refresh rate is set to auto, but you can force 60 hertz, you can force 120 hertz, or you can force that 185 hertz. So pretty cool. You can actually decide what the refresh rate is. There is REDMAGIC AI Plus with a sidebar, smart window, and you'll notice using translations and transcriptions. Also, there is a light strip as well. There's lightning mode. You can take effect when the screen is off. You can shuffle colors and more. So let's just get into it. I'm going to go into that little game zone from REDMAGIC. I have a lot of games installed. We are going to start with PUBG Mobile. Those speakers do get pretty loud, actually. All right, match starts in 30 seconds, but I do have to say, everything looks incredibly smooth. I do like this OLED panel overall. Also, before the game starts, look, it's flashing, it's pulsating that lighting, which you can customize, but that is liquid cooling on your tablet. Pretty awesome, actually. All right, let's dive into the game. I know a lot of people don't like showing jumping out of a plane in a battle royale as a test, but it actually is when it's starting to render the most of the map. And again, crazy smooth. Let's go actually like get into a fight right away. Uh-oh. Oh, I had one bullet. Uh-oh. Oh, why is it in single? Oh, I've got the wrong gun. Again, everything is fantastic in terms of speed. Everything looks great. Okay, I switched this off while the game was playing, and it actually took me home, but it put the game into a minimized window. So if I go back into it, it's still in that minimized window, which, you know, I'm okay with. I can move it around. Kind of cool that you can multitask like that. There's so much you can customize, like performance, GPU settings even, and just a lot more, including screen touch adjustment, sensitivity of the gyroscope, accidental protection, and just a lot more. This window you can move, you can resize, and just shows you that not only is the game running, but you can also, you know, run through and do other things while you're playing. If I press X, it's just gonna close out. That liquid cooling can be customized. You can turn it on or off, and there's even turbo mode. So let's start turbo mode, and it should, oh yeah. I can hear it, actually. I can hear it in action. It's flying. I love it. I mean, I love that you can actually say, hey, I've been gaming for like 2 hours, it's getting warm. This isn't warm, by the way, at the moment. Anyways, you do have an 8,300 milliamp hour battery, so just pointing that out, but there's so many other extra features. Again, that magic key, you can customize it to your liking. But anyways, that is it for me for now. With the Astra 2 from REDMAGIC, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I really like this design, especially because it's completely flat. You've got a couple USB Type-C ports. And the size is a lot of fun. Having a tablet that you can just hold with one hand is pretty unique and not something you can do with every tablet. But a lot more videos to come, so be sure to click that subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.